Ever wondered how to start programming in Python? Well, you've come to the right place. Python is a powerful, versatile language that's known for its simplicity and readability. Unlike some other languages, Python's syntax is clean and easy to understand, which makes it an excellent choice for beginners. Yet its simplicity doesn't compromise its capabilities. Python is widely used in a range of applications, from web development and game design, to machine learning and data science. It's the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Its versatility and simplicity have made Python one of the most popular languages in the world. No matter what your programming goals are, Python can help you achieve them. It's a tool that can open doors and create opportunities. So, ready to dive into the world of Python programming? Hold on tight as the adventure begins. First things first, you need to set up your Python environment. Now, what does this mean? Essentially, it's creating a dedicated workspace for your Python coding journey. Let's kick things off by downloading and installing Python. Head over to the official Python website, choose the version suitable for your operating system, and follow the installation steps. It's as easy as pie. Next, you'll need an integrated development environment, or an IDE for short. This is the tool where you will write, test, and debug your code. There are many excellent options available, but for beginners, we recommend either PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook. They are user-friendly and packed with features to make your coding experience smoother. The final step is to organize your workspace. Create a specific folder for your Python projects to keep your files neat and accessible. With your Python environment all set, you're now ready to write your first piece of code. Now that you've got your Python environment set up, it's time to understand Python's syntax. Python's syntax is beautifully simple and designed to be easy to read and write. It's like the grammar of the language, and it's what sets it apart from other programming languages. Let's delve into it. First, Python uses indentation to define blocks of code. Unlike other languages that use curly braces or keywords, Python uses spaces or tabs. This makes your code clean and consistent. Next, we have variable declarations. In Python, you don't need to specify the type of a variable. You can simply declare a variable like this: my underscore variable equals $5. Python automatically understands that my underscore variable is an integer. Lastly, comments. Comments are the programmer's notes. In Python, you use the hash symbol to start a comment. For instance, hash, this is a comment. Congratulations, you've just taken your first step into understanding Python syntax. Ready to dive a bit deeper? It's time to get familiar with some basic Python concepts. Let's start with data types. In Python, we have several data types like integers, floats, strings, and lists. Each one has a unique purpose and can be used in different ways. Next, we have operators. These are symbols that perform arithmetic or logical computations. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. For example, in the expression 5 plus 3, 5 and 3 are operands and the plus sign is an operator. Lastly, we have control structures. These are the decision-making tools in Python. They include statements like if, else, elif, and loops such as for and while. These tools allow you to control the flow of your Python program. With these fundamental concepts under your belt, you're well on your way to becoming a Python programmer. You've come a long way in just a few minutes. Let's recap what you've learned and look at what's next. In this short time, we've explored the basics of Python programming. We started by introducing you to Python, a versatile and user-friendly language. Then we walked you through setting up your Python environment, a crucial first step in your programming journey. Next, we delved into the Python syntax. We discussed how Python uses indentation to define code blocks, and we also covered the basic data types in Python like integers, floats, and strings. Lastly, we introduced you to some fundamental Python concepts like variables, loops, and conditions. Now, as you move forward, you'll start exploring more complex concepts like functions, loops, and object-oriented programming. These are the building blocks that will allow you to create more sophisticated programs and applications. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You've taken your first step into Python programming today, and there's no limit to where you can go from here.